Hi, isang pinagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. My name is Sir Gian. Let's talk about this on this video is all about the composition of function. Okay, so wag na tayo magpahuli pa at simulan na po natin. The composition of the function f with g is defined by f circle g and is defined by the equation f circle g of x is equals to f of g of x and g circle f of x is equals to g of f of x. Anong ibig sabihin po nitong composition of function class? It means to us we can combine, kumbaga papatungan natin ng isang function ng another function, no? Kumbaga para ka lang nagpalaman ng tinapay, no? Ganun yung composition of function. The domain of the composition function f circle g is a set of all x such that x is the domain of g or f and g of x or f of x is in the domain of f or g. So, para mas maintindihan natin yung solving or yung concept ng composition of function, magbigay na po tayo ng mga sets of example. Sa example number 1, we have the f of x is equal to 2x plus 9, g of x is x minus 3, h of x, x squared minus 2x plus 1. So, sa una natin mapapansin, we have the f circle g of x. So, paano po ba natin isosolve ang f circle g of x? So, let's begin to solve this. Okay? Yan. Okay, let's solve. Wait lang po Okay? So, let us solve this. So, kung mapapansin niyo f circle g of x. So, sa una, ang gagawin nyo lamang po is to formulate it. First, you need to have your f, then g. Then that is parenthesis g, then yung katabi niya na x. Tandaan nyo po class, yung unang letter, yan yung tinatawag na primary function. Pag sinabi natin primary function, siya po yung kokopyahin po natin. And then yung composing function, siya po yung ipapalit natin dun sa value of x ng primary function. So yung primary function ninyo is yung f. So since f po yung nasa unang letter or unang equation, ang gagawin nyo lang, copy the value of f of x, which is 2x plus 9. And then next, yung g of x, yan yung tinatawag nating composing function. Ang ginagawa po natin sa composing function ay ipapalit lang po natin yung value ng x, ng alin? Ng value ng g of x, which is x minus 3. No? Then, do not forget also the plus 9. Okay? So, ganyan lang po siya. And then, distribute it. That is 2 times x. That is 2x. And then, 2 times negative 3. That is negative 6 plus 9. And then, we have 2. Then, negative 6. Negative 6 plus 9. That is positive 3. So, therefore, we have f circle g of x is equals to 2x plus 3. So, ganyan lamang po kadali ang ating set of functions or sets of equation. Okay, so sa number 2, yan. Same pa rin, same function but different given po, no? So, let us solve the f circle h of x naman. So, ganun lang din siya sa formulation nung nauna. So, gawin nyo lang, first is the primary function of f. Kung sino po yung nasa unang letter nung pinapahanap natin class, siya po yung magiging primary function. And then the composing function, which is h of x. Now, how can we do it again? So, the primary function, you need to copy the value of f of x, that is 2x plus 9. And then the value of h of x, that is your composing function, ipapalit nyo lang po doon sa value ng x. So, this is 2. Then, the value of x, ipapalit nyo po yung composing function natin na ang value ng h squared, x is equals to x squared minus 2x plus 1. Then, do not forget the plus 9 here. Okay, so do not forget the plus 9. Then, gawin natin MP multiplicative, distributive distributive multiplicative siya, no? Property. 2 times x squared, that is 2x squared. Then 2 times negative 2x, that is negative 4x. 2 times 1, that is positive 2 plus 9. And then, let us formulate it for the final answer. F circle G ulit, sorry. F circle H na po pala. Yan. F circle H, yan. F circle H of x now is equals to 2x squared minus 4x kasi it cannot be simplified po. Then yung positive 2 tsaka yung positive 9, pwede pong i-simplify. So that is 2 plus 9, that is 11. So, eto na po yung ating answer. So, sana po nasusundan po ninyo at nagigets po ninyo yung ating topic and discussion. So, may question ka po ba? Okay, kung wala na po tayong question, mag-proceed na tayo. At kung may question ka naman ay may comment section naman po tayo. Okay, so paano naman kapag G circle H of X, no? G circle H of X. So, first we need to do, syempre, ang primary function natin is yung G. And then yung composing function natin is yung H of X. Since ang unang letter po ay letter G, kukunin nyo lang po yung value ng G of X, which is X minus 3, kokopyahin. And then the value of H of X, that is, papalit nyo lang siya sa value ng X. So, papalitan nyo lang siya ng H of X. Ano po yung H of X? So, that is X squared minus 2X plus 1. Then, then minus 3. Then next, remove all the parentheses, that is X squared minus 2X plus 1 minus 3. And then next po, X squared minus 2X. And then positive 1 minus 3, that is negative 2. Okay? So, yan na po yung ating G circle H of X. So, yan na po siya. X squared minus 2X minus 2. Ayan. So, sana po nagigets po ninyo yung ating discussion. So, let's example number 2, paano naman kapag H circle G of negative 2? So, madaming nagtatanong dito, madaming nahihirapan. Though hindi naman siya mahirap, so ang gawin lang natin is ganito po. Same formulation lang din po siya kasi evaluated function na po kasi siya. First, your primary function, that is H, and then yung composing function mo is G of negative 2 na po. So, ibig sabihin, since G of negative 2 po yung may G of negative 2 po tayo, may isosolve po tayo. Ano yung isosolve natin? Yung G of negative 2. So, sa G of negative 2, kung mapapansin po ninyo yung G of negative 2, ang gagawin lang natin, no? G of X is equals to get the value of G of X, that is X minus 3. Okay? And then, evaluate mo siya into negative 2. G of negative 2, which is equals to negative 2 minus 3. Then, G of negative 2 again, that is negative 2 minus negative 3, that is negative 5. So, G of negative 2 now is negative 5. Okay? Then, after po niyan, class, let's copy the, let's copy the formula. So, that is the H. So, yung H natin is, yung primary function natin is H of X, that is X squared minus 2X plus 1. Then, equal. Then, since this is G of negative na po, negative 2 na po ito, hindi na siya G of X, ang ipapalit lang po natin sa mga X ngayon ay negative 5 na kasi po evaluated function na po siya. So, this is negative 5. Okay, negative 5 squared minus 2. Then, times mo siya kay negative 5. Then, do not forget the plus 1. Okay? So, negative 5 squared, that is positive 25. Then, negative 2 times negative 5, that is positive 10 plus 1. So, let's get now the value of, H circle G of negative 2. That is 25 plus 10, that is 35. And 35 plus 1, that is 36. And this is our answer in example number 4. So, may questions ba po na tayo? Okay, so kung wala po, proceed na po tayo sa isa pang another set of problem. How about F circle G of 3? No? F circle G of 3. So, which is same lang din yan. Evaluated function lang po yan, no? So, ang gagawin lang natin, first function, which is F. Then, the composing function of G of 3. Since napansin naman po ninyo kanina, G of 3 is evaluated function. So, para mas madali, kopyahin po muna natin yung function ng primary function natin, which is yung 2x plus 9. And then next, G of 3. So, yung G of 3 class, ang gagawin lang natin is to evaluate the G of x into negative 3. G of x now is equals to x minus 3. And then, palitan mo lang yung value ng x sa 3. So, 3 minus 3. Then you have g of 3 now is equals to 3 minus 3, that is 0. So therefore, lahat po ng value ng x mula kay 2x plus 9, papalitan po natin siya ng 0 plus 9. So 2 times 0, that is 0 plus 9, that is 9. So therefore, our f circle g of 3 is equals to 9. So ayan na po yung ating answer sa ating number 5. Okay? Next, another example ulit. Sabi ko sa inyo, want to sawa tayong mag-e-example dito. Para po mag-gets po ninyo. How about g of f of negative 4? So let's begin. Ganun lang din po yan. Write the value, the primary function of g, and the composing function of f of negative 4. Now, so let's get the value of g. Ang value ng g natin is x minus 3. Now, the problem is, meron po tayong composing function na isang evaluated function, that is f of x, no? So, magiging f of negative 4 na po siya. F of x now, then get the value, that is 2x plus 9. Then, change the value of x into negative 4. So, that is 2 times negative 4 plus 9. Then, f of negative 4. Then, 2 times negative 4, that is negative 8 plus 9. So, negative 8 plus 9, that is 1. So, f of negative 4 now is equals to 1. So, ibig sabihin, ang ipapalit po natin sa mga value ng x ay 1. Okay, so, change the value of x into 1. Bakit? Kasi po, evaluated function na po siya. Then, minus 3. Then, 1 minus 3, that is negative 2. So, therefore, this is g circle f of negative 4 is negative 2. At ayan na po yung ating sagot sa ating example number 6. So, next. Ayun. So, example number 7. Actually, second to the last na to. Ibig sabihin, may isa pa po. No? F circle f of x. Okay, so let's begin. What is f circle f of x? Now, as you can see po, no, f circle f of x, ang gagawin lang natin is f, then composing function of f of x, and also a primary function of f of x, and also a composing function of f of x. So, ang gagawin lang natin, get the value of f of x, that is 2x plus 9 as your primary function. Okay? Then next, change the value of x. Saan po? Ipapalit lang po natin siya. Saan? Sa value din ng f of x, that is 2x plus 9 din po. Then, meron tayong plus 9 sa dulo. Yan, plus 9. Then, 2 times 2x, no, that is 4x, plus 2 times 9, that is positive 18. Then, do not forget the plus 9 here. So, 4x cannot be simplified to 18 and 9, but 18 and 9 can we simplify? 18 plus 9, that is 27. So, therefore, we have f, circle f, of x now is equals to, yan, is equals to, 4x plus 27. Okay, so I hope na sana po nagigets po ninyo. At the same time ay nasusundan po ninyo. Okay, so yan. So, punta na tayo sa ating, I think this is the last question. No? F of x is equals to 2x plus 9, g of x minus 3, and h of x is x squared minus 2x plus 1. Paano po kung ito ay tatluhan? May ituturo ko sa inyong solution, dalawa. Una yung minimum substitution, pangalawa yung maximum. So, unahin na natin kay maximum, no? Okay, maximum substitution tayo, ha? So, saan ko na lang po ba siya ilalagay? Dito na lang po, no? Yan, maximum substitution. Yung maximum substitution class, medyo nakakaano lang ito, masakit sa ulo. Pero kakayanin nyo naman as long na maiintindihan nyo. Yung isa yung minimum substitution, no? Maximum substitution. Yan, maximum substitution. So, sa maximum substitution, we have f, circle f of x. Okay? So, gaganyanin natin siya. So, paano natin ipo-formulate? Una, primary function of f. Okay? Then, we have another one again. Yung gagamit na po kayo ng bracket kasi po, tatlo na po yung function. F ulit. And then, another, which is yung tinatawag na composing function is f of x. So, ang primary function mo or yung primary function mo is f of x, and then yung yung first composing function mo is f of x, and then yung composing function mo na huli ay f of x din. So, anong gagawin? So, maximum substitution to kasi sinasagad na po natin lahat. Okay? Pinasubstitute na natin lahat. So, get first the value of f of x, that is 2x plus 9. Okay? Then next, equals, since dito sa pangalawang f naman, ipapalit mo ulit yung value ng x sa value ng f of x. That is 2x plus 9. Then, do not forget the plus 9 here. Yan, plus 9. And then, may kulang pa po tayo. Etong isa pa, f of x. So, ang gagawin lang natin, substitute it again. No? Substitute lang po ulit yan. So, substitute, that is 2. Then, ayan. Then, this is 2. Then, change the value of x. Tama. Ay, hindi. Dapat red po yan. No? Kasi kabahagi siya dun eh. So, that is, red. Use red. So, this is 2 pa rin. Then, change the value of x into 2x plus 9 pa rin po. Na, another 2x plus 9. Then, syempre, huwag nyo pong kalilimutan din na meron ding plus 9 pa rin po dyan. Dahil po, kabahagi po siya nung pangalawang function na ginawa po natin kanina po. Okay? Ayan po. Then, do not forget the another plus 9 here. Plus 9. Okay? So, plus 9 po dyan. And then po, ganun din. Solve lang po natin. Order of operation po tayo. Okay? Order of operation. So, we have 2 times 2x, that is 4x, plus 2 times positive 9, that is positive 18, plus 9. Then, may plus 9 pa po dito. Then, may kulang pa po. Let us solve na po yung nasa loob ng parenthesis. Ano yung pwedeng masimplify? Yung 18 at 9, tama po. 4x, then 18 plus 9, that is 27. Then, also this is have plus 9. Then, distribute 2 times 4x, that is 8x, plus 2 times 27, that is 54, plus 9. So, we have now 8x plus 54 plus 9, that is 63. So, eto na po yung circle f of x is equals to 8x plus 63. I hope na sana po nagigets po ninyo yung ating discussion. So, medyo mahaba lang yung video sapagkat gusto ko mas maraming example para mas magets po ninyo yung iba't ibang cases of solving and composition of function. So, minimum substitution na po tayo. Sa minimum substitution class, ang tinatawag ko siyang minimum substitution para po, kaya siya minimum kasi isa-isa natin siyang ginagawa. Okay, so ganito po siya. Since tatlo siya, f of x. Simula ka muna sa f of x. That is 2x plus 9. Tama po. Next. Siyempre, since tatlo yan, solve mo naman yung pangalawa. Circle f of x. So, ang gagawin mo lang ay 2x. Change the value of x into 2x plus 9. Then, do not forget the plus 9 here. Then, solve mo muna. So, 2 times 2x, that is 4x, plus 2 times 9, that is 18, plus 9. So, we have 4x plus 18 plus 9, that is 27. Okay? So, ayan. So, syempre, hindi pa po tapos yan. Meron pa tayo yung pangatlo, yung circle f of x. So, we have now 4. Change the value of x into the value of f of x, that is 2x plus 9 plus 27. So, 4 times 2x, that is 8x, plus 2 times 9, that is 36, plus 27. So, we have 8x plus 36 plus 27, that is 63. We have now circle f of x now is equals to 8x plus 63. So, same lang din po. Pero sabi ko nga, every time na magpa-problem set po tayo, gamitin po ninyo yung mas kaya ninyo at mas maiintindihan ninyo. Okay? Maraming salamat po. I hope na may natutunan po kayo. Maraming salamat po and have a nice day and God bless you po.